Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn profile with Devpost Hackathon proof step by step clearly. Open your LinkedIn account and log in. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the me icon. Click on the Add Profile section button located below your profile photo. Select Accomplishments from the drop-down menu. Under the Accomplishments section, choose Projects. In the project entry form, enter the title of your Devpost Hackathon project. Fill in the dates of the hackathon where you worked on this project. Add a brief description of your project, focusing on your role and contributions. Include any relevant technologies or tools used during the hackathon. Now, add a link to your Devpost project page for verification. Scroll down to Associated with, and if applicable, link your project to a relevant position or school. Select whether your project was part of a hackathon, then save your changes. Next, click on the Add Profile section button again. This time, select Licenses and Certifications. Fill in the details for any certificates or awards you received during the hackathon. Include the issuing organization, which can be the hackathon's name, and the date you received it. Add a link to the certification or a relevant Devpost page if available. Finally, review your updates to ensure everything is accurate and complete. Once satisfied, click Save to publish your changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.